Right. So, as part of our learning towards the scaled agile, today we are going to discuss about the business agility using scaled agile for organization level. Because whenever we are transforming organizations into agile way of approach, it's always important for us to implement some scaled agile framework. So, these scaled agile framework from the transformation point of view, implementing in the organization level face to face is essentially required. In this regard, today we are going to discuss about the business agility using the scaled agile framework in the organization level. So before I'm getting into this, let me explain you what exactly business agility is all about. Because being into a new environment wherein you need to understand from the learning perspective. So business agility is something, an ability to compete and thrive in the digital environment by quickly responding to the market changes, followed by the kind of emerging opportunities with an innovative digital enabled business solutions. In this in this regard, it's always important for us to understand about what exactly business agility is all about, in what way this business agility is so important, and how this can be implemented. So this is something essentially required whenever we try to understand it. So when we are talking about the business agility part, so first of all, we need to understand if you want to achieve the business agility in the organization level. So what are the two business operating systems that has to be addressed with? So these are the two operating systems which normally we have to achieve, because if you want to achieve any business agility, these are the two operating system we use in the organization level. The first one about the hierarchical one, second is a customer centric network. Hierarchical majorly provides the necessary as well as the efficiency, scalability, and other scalable aspects which are required to deliver the current mission, right? Either it can be people's or operations, or it can be financial, or it can be business services, compliances, all that. But whereas when it comes to the customer centric network itself is concerned, which is quickly delivering innovative solutions to a faster moving marketplace. These are the two business operating systems which normally we use whenever you want to reach business agility in scaled agile framework. Now, when it comes to the customer centric network, etc., it's concerned because as in when I mentioned you, there are two operating systems, business operating systems we are using. When it comes to the customer centric network itself is concerned, so an organization can quickly adapt in responding to the emerging competitive threats, which in near times which they may face. At the same time, efficiently identifying and delivering incremental customer value, whatever is required. At the same time, maintaining quality in an evolving product and as well as solution scope and as well as the portfolio is what something which normally we can enable using customer network centric network whenever you are using these business systems in the organization level. Now, if it is a basic understanding, most of the people may ask you a question, right? Because this is a question which many people ask, people who are new to scaled agile and all, in what way scaled agile framework are safe, helpful for enterprises. This is majorly useful to improve the business outcome for any organization or an enterprise by accelerating the productivity, time to market, quality, employee engagement, all that. So these are the major areas where if organization wants to transform themselves to improve the business outcome, these are the things which are useful to implement scaled agile framework in the organization level. So this is an overall understanding about the business agility using scaled agile framework in the organization is all about. And tomorrow I'm going to discuss about what are the core competencies we have, what are the different core competencies we have right from enterprise solution delivery, agile product delivery, right? So lean portfolio management, organization delivery, all that I'm going to discuss in the tomorrow session.